So this is the pan right out of the box. Looks great, nice and sturdy, heavy. Surfaces, it's kind of sparkly, which is pretty. So I was super excited. I'm like, yay, it's the exact shape that I wanted. I wanted one that was more of a slant because I had a pan that was similar that broke. And I have tons of lids, so I didn't need a new lid. However, the pan will be going back because none of my 10-inch lids fit. Obviously, you know, they all fit a little bit different because there's different shaped pans, but I have 4 10-inch lids and not one of my 10-inch lids fits. So I said, well, let me just try another one. Nope. Apparently I have 5. I have a 12-inch lid, so you think, well, maybe the 12-inch. Nope. The 12-inch lid won't fit either. It's too big. Very much too big. So good luck finding a lid for this pan. I, however, am sending it back.
Hello, my name is Damien, and this is just a quick little video on the Blue Diamond frying pan. I don't know if you can see that with the glare from the light. This is by far the best non-stick frying pan I have ever used. My wife is on this health kick where she made me get rid of all of our other non-stick pans and any Teflon-based frying pans that we had, and she told me I could only purchase porcelain or stainless steel frying pans. For the porcelain frying pans, I purchased 2 different brands. The other brand I am not happy with, but my Blue Diamond one I got, this thing is amazing. I actually just got done cooking eggs on it this morning. It is so non-stick, I make an omelet. I'm able to flip that omelet. None of the egg sticks to it. You know, it's excellent. And then the wash down is super simple. Just quick sponge with soap. And this thing is squeaky clean, as you can see. Definitely the best frying pan on the market. I would highly suggest it. Oh, and it's very well made too. Look at this quality. Nice stainless steel. They make the handle hollow so it doesn't get hot. Just every aspect of this pan, best one on the market.
Nothing is sticking to it. Just have a look. This is the first time I've used it, and that is the stickiest of things, eggs.
I just have to do a video because this is the unicorn pan I've been looking for. I want my eggs to slide around.